What is up, guys? This is Quentin at the Young Enthusiast, having a nice day, a nice sunset after having a great drive after work. So, today is going to be a very different video from what you guys are normally seeing. So, a couple of months ago, I got reached out by a company called Super Clean about using their products in one of my videos. At first, I kind of thought it was sketchy. I kind of thought it was like a bot because, this isn't a gigantic channel. So I was actually kind of, you know, concerned at first. But then I actually just went and emailed them back about a month later. And it turned out they were pretty legit. They sent me a whole bunch of stuff, including this shirt and this hat. And they also sent me a couple of their products. So Super Clean is a company that makes heavy degreasers that can pretty much clean a lot of gunk, a lot of grease, and all that nasty, nasty stuff. They normally sell it for like $7.99 at my AutoZone, and you can get this stuff at pretty much a lot of places that sell automotive parts. Like you can get it from AutoZone, O'Reilly's, Napa. You can even get it at Walmart. They sell a big jug at Walmart. I don't know how much it costs, but it's a you can get this stuff a lot of places. And I've been using it for like a couple of weeks now, all around the house and all around the shop where I work at. And I tell you the truth, this stuff has actually been a very good degreaser. You can use it to clean floors. You can use it to clean like stuff outside, grimy stuff outside. I use it to clean my wheels, and man, those wheels have never looked cleaner. Like, it really works. It's a really strong degreaser. You just don't want to get it on your skin. And some applications, you might even have to dilute it with water. Sometimes when you're using it at home, I know I did, and it really still cleaned up stuff very good once I diluted the water. So I'm going to show you guys a couple of clips. I'm also going to talk in those clips as on what I'm doing, and I'm going to show you how good it actually cleans. I've seen a lot of these videos about this stuff, and they actually never show you the results. But in this video, you will see the results and how clean everything actually is. Like, I really enjoyed this stuff whenever I was using it. I was pretty excited for the opportunity. Thank you, Super Clean.
Now during this first demonstration, I'm going to be using the aerosol can of Super Clean on my Mustang's wheel. It's going to pretty much just clean up all the debris, all the grime, dirt, rust. It's going to clean all of that out. As you can probably see, it's dripping all into the ground. That's where all that brown stuff is. So whenever I start rinsing this wheel, it actually cleans it up really well. The tire is shiny. The wheel looks extremely clean. It's actually the cleanest this wheel has ever looked, and nothing else I've used has actually cleaned it up better than Super Clean did. Just look at that rinse. Okay, for this demonstration, I'm going to be spraying the aerosol can of Super Clean on the window unit I have in my bedroom. As you can see, it's pretty grimy, pretty nasty, and disgusting. But this aerosol can will actually eat up all of that grime and dirt and all that nasty stuff and lift it up into the top, as you're going to see with the next video. Okay, so I let it sit for a while and I started spraying it off whenever I got ready. So it's, as you can see, it's taking most of the grind off. Now this is with me not even scrubbing it in or nothing. It's just coming right off, and that grind's been there for like about a year or so now. And this Super Clean's actually doing a good job taking it off. I'm really surprised about that. It's pretty much getting all of that nasty grass from them cutting the grass, and grime and dirt and grease from the years that I've had it. Like, look at that. Okay, for the third demonstration, I'm at the shop at where I work at, and I'm spraying down this pole, basically where I have my stuff set up with the aerosol can of Super Clean. This stuff is going to pretty much get all this grime. Most of it is oil, old oil too, that's been splashed on there. As you can see, it cleans up very good. Of course, I'm going to need some extra napkins because it is some very thick stuff. Now, let me get rid of this video and show you what it's like towards the after. So look at this comparison between dirty and clean. I think Super Clean did a good job at actually cleaning this. So for the last part of this video, we're going to be comparing the aerosol can and the spray can on how it's like to actually clean up the shop floor, which is completely soaked in oil. So here is what the spray actually does, 32-ounce spray. And here is the aerosol eating up the oil. So after letting both degreasers sit, I go ahead and start mopping up. As you can see, it's taking out all the oil, cleaning it up, no problem. With this dry mop, and it's really making the floor extremely shiny. Like this Super Clean stuff actually works very well with the shop floors. Now, this is where the aerosol came in. Now, if you have asked me, I actually prefer the aerosol can over the spray bottle, but they both do a good job. It cleaned up this oil very nice, very well. Floor is still shiny as the other one too. But the aerosol is also a little bit easier and a little bit quicker to actually get on the floor. It actually cleans up very well. I'm even stepping on it right now to make sure it's not even slippery. And it's not. It actually does a good job cleaning it up.
So I like Super Clean so much that I'm going to go ahead to go to AutoZone and get some more. Thank you, Super Clean, for sponsoring this video. Please like, share, and subscribe if you want to see more content about all the cars I have. And I'll talk to you guys next time.